Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to look into very something serious, and I want you to pay close attention as we journey into this video. There is no profit if you create products, you do your flyer, you run ad, people come to your WhatsApp and they didn't pay. I had the same experience long time ago when I ran my first ad selling ebook online. A lot of people came to my DM and they did it back. It was not because the ad is back, it's because I don't know how to present myself before them and how to address them, confuse them in order to get my book and they pay money to me. So when you run your ad and people come to your DM, your WhatsApp group or your WhatsApp channel or your Telegram, there is a silent question that people ask themselves about you. Immediately they landed. The first question is this person legit? Can we trust him? They will be curious about you and what you want to teach. All right, you have to have it in mind that people are going to be asking this question immediately they get to your DM. So what do you do when you have this when you understand this kind of thing? All right, in your first 24 hours that people come to your DM, your WhatsApp group, your WhatsApp channel, your whatever, all right, you are not going to tell them that you are selling everything. Your first 24 hours should be about authority and clarity, not about selling. All right, first thing you want to do, you want to send them a welcome message. Immediately people are joining, they are joining 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. As they are joining, you send them a welcome message, and the tune will be calm, confident, as well structured, right? So you send them a welcome message. Examples of welcome message that you may want to send is this. So I hope you are looking this thing and you're looking how it is. Okay, so I say welcome to Inner Circle. I just use that one. This group is strictly for serious people who want to learn and how to set on WhatsApp and Telegram without begging. So over the next few days, I will show you how to best daily customer, what to say to close them, and how to automate your income. All right. So when you send them this, they will feel like you know what you are doing. All right, and they will have to pay more close attention to you. All right. Don't be overwhelmed with the word closes. The word closes means when you get people and they come to your DM, how you convince them is what we call close sales. How you convince them to pay money in order to get the products that they are here for. All right. So at the same minute you send them a welcome message, add your rules. Okay, in every group there is a rules. All right, there is a rule of law that guide every group. So you may have your own different one. All right. So in normal group there is this one that don't send the promotion link, no private message of member, only serious question. If you are here to do blah blah blah, you can just tap ready. All right, and this will give them to reply you. All right. So what happen immediately you send them welcome message and the rule? There are three things that happen. One, it will create an engagement. All right. Number two, it will create a signal control that someone is in charge of this group. Number three, it will establish a social order that you are not their friend, you are their guard. All right, their instructor. So the next day you are going to build trust through macro wins. All right, the word macro wins is means little teaching, little value. All right, before asking them for money, give them value. All right, that will make them think that this person knows what they are talking about. All right, give them a short lesson and not a very long one, not all what you are going to sell for them. Just teach them little things of what you are going to sell for them. All right, example, you greet them in the morning and you give them the clue of what you are going to teach them. You can say, okay, today I'm going to show you why most people don't sell on WhatsApp even though they have customer. Okay, and in the evening you can just teach them about that time. So maybe after 5 minutes you can just teach them something like this. 90% of people fail selling on WhatsApp because they post good morning flyer. Customer do not buy creating a buy solution. So now they have understand that customer did not buy flyer. Those who are selling flyer before will now know that okay, they need to provide a solution for customer in order for customer to pay for them. All right, and this will give them a clue that this person know what he's doing. When value are taught, so when you finally taught them value, they will show interest. Then you will offer them premium course, showing them the higher value that they will learn. Okay, in most cases price I announce at this point. As you are showing them the higher value, the more details, as you are showing them the cost, the main focus, as you are introducing it to them, you are introducing the price with it. Okay, as you are introducing it, you are adding your payment method, which is your account number and how you want them to send the money. And those that you want to buy, we buy. Those that don't want to buy, we go. All right. So in this case, you must see people that leave your WhatsApp group. You must see people that leave your Telegram. Don't be afraid. All right. It happened a lot. So if you can see at least 10 people to buy out of maybe 1,000 people that come to your DM, you have automatically made a profit that day, regardless of how much you put to spend per day. So if you put 3,000 naira and you are selling your product 5,000, and at least 4 to 5 people make payments and they bought that product for you, automatically you have made a profit that day. It's not a bad thing, it's a good thing. So you just have to, keep on trying and keep on scaling and keep on pulling out trick that will convince them to buy more. On the other hand, we have a very different customer and we have a very different product depending on what you are selling. This one now, we want to talk about a physical product. All right, maybe you have a physical product and you have convinced, you have this customer on your DM and you guys have talked, and or you get to a point where the customer asks for price. All right, they're okay, how much are you selling this thing? So do not answer 25,000 naira, 30,000 naira. Do not give the price immediately. All right. So do not give the price immediately. That is a price drop without parachute. Okay. Instead, I will advise you to reply this way. It is 25,000 naira. It is 30,000, depending on how much you are selling your product. Okay. So, and following the price you add, or you getting it for yourself or as a gift for someone. This will create a communication. If the person is not someone that is angry or someone that have anger issue, the person will reply you, okay, that okay, this one is for my girlfriend, this one is for my son, it's for my baby, it's for me. All right, this will create a conversation. Price should never work alone. Price need value beside it, like a body guide, which is like, okay, it is 25,000 naira. Are you not getting it for yourself or as a gift for someone? All right, and this will make the person reply. All right, he's getting it for someone. This will make the person continue the chat. Okay, there is something we call a sales question. All right, in that sales question, you ask a simple question: sir, would you like me to reserve one for you, or should I prepare it for delivery today? Okay, he's going to see your message. He might not reply, but he definitely saw your message. All right, so I want to show you some certain things that you may encounter while chatting with people in order to close a sale, in order to make a sales. Okay, when you set a price, you show them the price. Some people may tell you that it is too expensive. Don't get offended. Some will tell you that they will get back to you and they will never get back to you. Some will tell you that let me think about it. Don't worry. Some will even tell you that okay, send account. That is the only thing that you will see. Okay, now we have seen what they can do. Let's check what we can do to them also. All right, let's check how we can break them if we have this encounter with a particular customer. Now, if they say it is expensive, your answer should be okay, I understand. Most of our customers felt that way at first until they saw how lasted our product is, or until they saw how good is our product, until they saw how important is our product, until they saw the values of our product. All right, you just give them something that will make them feel that this is worth paying for. All right, so at the end of your conversation, you put, will you prefer the full package or a small option? I mean, if you are selling a physical product or a digital product, there is a small package and there is a full package. Okay, it's depending on the price. All right, what if they say, okay, I will get back to you? Your answer should be okay, no problem. Is there anything you are unsure about that I can clarify now? This will keep the conversation alive. All right, if they are unsure about anything, they are going to answer you, and in that way the communication will keep flowing. All right, so if they say, okay, well, let me think about it, if I just say, all right, no problem, would you like to think about something else, maybe how we deliver our product, how we package it? Would you like to know something about our product, on how it's going? Okay, so you are gently bring objection into the daylight. Okay, so someone that have interest in how fast you deliver, how long it's going to take for the product to reach inside, will surely ask question. Okay, so and when they are ready, okay, they said they are ready, okay, send the account number. So I will tell you that do not send the account number like that. Okay, so do not send the account number like that. It will feel code. Okay, you just in everything you are doing, just make that you have a backup that can trigger and that can make the person feel like, oh, he's chatting with human being. Okay, so when they say, okay, oh, I am ready, send the account number, you can just type, okay, great choice. I will send the payment detail now so we can secure it for you. So after that, you send your account number, you send the confirmation amount, you state the delivery timeline. So at this one, I mean the timeline where you are going to deliver, you send everything together. All right. So you are going to check the account number, check the amount, and check how many days, how long it's going to take for him to receive the product. Okay. What if the person does not pay immediately? Maybe you expect the person to pay within 24 hours and the money has not arrived. He has not messaged you back Okay, so don't worry. All right, don't worry. Don't persuade it by saying, okay, please pay today, let me know if you can. All right, that sounds like you are begging. Okay, you are not begging. You own your restaurant. You talk like a professional, as a business person. Okay, so instead of that, you will send a follow message. Okay, once the payment is confirmed, we will dispatch your product immediately. So like this, you sound like a businessman, not someone that is opening, maybe he's going to pay or he's not going to pay. Now, maybe after 24 hours, after 3 days, you didn't see the message. Okay, you can just check on it. Oh, hi, I'm just checking on you. Would you like me to hold this for you or release it or sell it? Now, you are telling the person that, okay, if you don't act fast, we are going to sell this thing. All right. So, and if the person didn't answer, you can just wait after 2 to 3 days and you can just give him another message. We are running a delivery batch now. Should that include yours? No emotion, no pressure, just the confidence. Okay. So at this point now, you let the person know that, oh, you are telling the person that, oh, this thing is on reservation. So it's on reservation that we have reserved this thing for you. We will do it if you want it tomorrow, if you want it today, if you want it now. This is what you call a follow message. And at this point, I hope you understand how to close this thing very well. All right. Do not rush yourself and follow this procedure. If what I'm saying is very too much for you to comprehend, that is why I put it here. You can just read and do whatever you want to do and copy it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that will be all for today. I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.